Do you want a burrito like a boss? You're tired of busting your butt only to tear your tortilla? Are you sick of rolling a wrap and it just looks like crap? I'm Ryan Scott with Cooking with Scuttle. Let's burrito. There are a few things you can do to roll a burrito like a pro. First of all, use less filling. Less is more. Of course, you don't want too much tortilla and no flavor, so make sure you get a good ratio. Fill to a width of about 1/4 to 1/3 of the diameter of the tortilla or wrap. And next, make sure you're working with a fresh tortilla or wrap, and it helps to warm it first. Just wrap in foil and place in a 250-degree oven for a few minutes. Store in the foil until you use them so they don't dry out. I like to heat the ingredients first, like in this simple breakfast burrito. It's made with scrambled eggs, seasoned rice with black beans, homemade salsa, and cheese. You gotta have the cheese. Place a burrito-shaped portion in the tortilla. Leave more room on one side. Slide onto a plate and fold, tuck, and roll. And if you wish, heat longer to warm the insides. You don't want to wait too long to fold the tortilla or else it'll be too brittle and it'll break. For cold wraps, if you need to, warm the wrap just a little bit before you roll it up. Remember, it's fold, tuck, and roll. To review, add the right amount of ingredients, not too much, not too little, and use a warm, fresh tortilla. Then you just fold, tuck, and that's right. And you'll be burritoing like a boss. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else.
Food porn.